have you ever felt like you're just talking to your AI? Like you're having a great chat, but not actually getting anything done? Well, we're about to change that. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with Manus AI, a tool that is all about action.
You know the feeling, right? You spend a good hour going back and forth with an AI chatbot. It's a fascinating conversation. But then you close the tab. And what are you left with? Just a bunch of text. What if you could actually turn those chats into real, tangible results? And that right there is where Manus AI just completely flips the script. It's not designed to be your chat buddy, it's designed to be your digital employee. It's not about the conversation, it's about the completion.
So how do you get started? Well, I've got some great news. The doors are officially open to everyone. No more wait lists, no more hoops to jump through. Let's get you set up right now. Okay, it's a super simple 4-step process. First, you're going to go to their official website. Then just click Get Started, sign up with your email or social account, whatever's easiest for you, and then just click that verification link in your email. Honestly, you'll be inside and ready to go before you can even finish your coffee.
All right, listen up, because this part is really, really important. You have to use the official URL, manus.im. There's some fake, look-alike sites floating around out there, and we want to make sure you're getting the real deal and, keeping your information safe. So again, that's manus.im, only that one. And probably the best part about signing up, they hook you up with a ton of free credits to play with. You get 1,000 right out of the gate just for signing up. Plus, you get another 300 that refresh every single day. That is more than enough to really put this thing to the test and see what it's truly capable of, all for free.
Okay, so you're in. Welcome to your new dashboard. Let's do a quick tour. You'll see it's super clean, really straightforward, and built for one thing and one thing only: getting work done.
So it's basically this simple 3-panel layout. Down at the bottom, that's your prompt box. Pretty standard stuff. Over on the left, you've got your chat history, so you can always go back to previous tasks. But the real show, the really cool part, is on the right. That's Manus's virtual computer screen, where you can literally watch it working in real time. It's kind of like looking over the shoulder of a super efficient assistant.
Now, before you go typing in your first command, hold on. There's one really crucial choice you've got to make. See, Manus has 2 different modes, and picking the right one is the secret to making those free credits last as long as possible.
Let me break it down for you. You've got chat mode. Think of this for your quick questions, simple tasks. It's fast and it's cheap on credits. Then you've got agent mode. This is the heavy hitter. This is what you use when you want Manus to take on an entire project by itself. We're talking researching, writing, the whole shebang. It does use more credits, but that's because you're basically unleashing an autonomous AI employee to do the work for you.
All right, enough talk. It's time to see this thing in action, right? Let's give Manus its first real job and see what it's made of. This is where things get really fun.
Here's a fantastic first prompt you can try. Just swap out your niche with your actual industry or interest. Now, notice this isn't just a simple question. It's a command. You're telling it to do a full research project and then create a finished report. This is exactly what agent mode was built for. And the second you hit enter, you can watch the entire process unfold on the right side of your screen. It's so cool. First, Manus breaks down your big command into a list of smaller steps. Then it literally opens a web browser, starts jumping between different websites, pulling info and compiling it all together into a polished document.
And here is the absolute kicker. At the end, you're not just getting a wall of text dumped into a chat window. No. You are getting a fully formatted report that you can download as a Word document, a real, usable file. That, my friends, is a total game changer.
So there you have it. We've gone through the setup, we've toured the dashboard, we've even watched it crush its first task. Now, it's your turn to take the wheel.
So, one last time, here's what you do next. Head on over to manus.im. Your free credits are sitting there waiting for you, and now you have the perfect first mission to send your new AI assistant on.
And really, that's the big question, isn't it? You've got a brand new AI employee, ready and waiting for instructions. So, what's your first command going to be?